Sister Amina, is your turn.
Mr. Amina wants to ask the question?
Yes, because yesterday, Sister.
This question again from Germany.
Mm-hmm.
A brother asked, same brother, always asks, Turkey has always been a friend of the Western power for a long time, and it is a member of NATO, but it has never been granted the full membership of the European Economic Community. Should Turkey quit NATO and try to establish its relations with the Islamic countries and the East?
Who will take this decision?
Some people say
Turkey in itself is nothing to take a decision. The regime in power will certainly not take that decision. See, they have some advantages to gain from becoming a member of NATO. And NATO has some advantages to gain for Turkey to remain a member of NATO. Thus she can be constantly watched and kept under harness. And this is what they have done. So they let Turkey hang in the middle, not to become a full member, so that it may not enjoy the full benefits of being a member of the European community. And they would not let Turkey out, so that still it can be kept under watch, under close watch. This is what I see as happening today, and I don't think this situation can be changed at all. The regime in Turkey, the power in Turkey, whatever regime is, the power lies with the army. And the army is completely sold out to the Western interests. So this is a hypothetical question, it can never actually arise. Moreover, the question spoke of an option for Turkey, either be a member of NATO or be a member of Islamic countries. Which is that option? I don't see any. There is no such organization of all the Islamic countries who stand united. There are different organizations available. Those run under Saudi rule, those run under Iranian rule, and Indonesia also presents this independent problem of a Muslim country where there is a tug of war going on between the government and the common people and so on. So where shall Turkey go? That is the question. So the option is imaginary. There is no option.